In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from eBay. If you've made a purchase on eBay and need a proper receipt or invoice for your records, expenses, or reimbursement, the process is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you can save or print a clean copy without any hassle. Start by heading to the eBay homepage and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over My eBay. Hovering opens a small menu. No need to click yet, so just hold your cursor there for a moment. From that menu, click Purchase History. This takes you to a list of everything you've bought on the account. If you're having trouble finding an older order, adjust the date range near the top of the page to show more months, or use the search field to look up a specific item. Find the order you want a receipt for and click View Order Details. This opens a dedicated page for that purchase. Here, you'll typically see the item name, the price you paid, shipping costs, taxes, discounts, your delivery address, and the order number. If the order included multiple items from the same transaction, they'll appear together. On the Order Details page, look for the option labeled Printer Friendly Page and click it. This reformats the information into a clean layout that's ideal for printing or saving as a PDF. It removes most of the extra navigation and leaves you with a document-style page that clearly shows the key purchase details. At this point, you'll see your invoice. Review it to make sure everything looks accurate. From here, you can use your browser's print function to either print a paper copy or save it as a PDF for digital records. If the printer-friendly option isn't visible, you can still press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac and select Save as PDF to create a copy. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you checked out as a guest, look for the order confirmation email you received at the time of purchase. That message typically includes a link to your order details, which you can open and print. If you need a tax-compliant invoice or specific business information that doesn't appear on the standard receipt, reach out to the seller through the order page and request it. And if you shop on mobile, the same options are available. Just open your account menu, go to Purchase History, and view the order detail before choosing the printer-friendly view. That's it. Your eBay receipt ready to print or save.